Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how to go about solving question 15 from Math PSLE 2020 paper 2. This is the strategy that I am using. So I'm going to annotate when I read question 15. Casey hung some identical rings vertically as shown. The thickness of each ring was 1 cm. Okay, all right, now. And question A is asking you to find the distance from the top of the first ring to the bottom of the fourth ring, indicated by the question mark. So the question mark is asking us to find the answer for part A. Now, I want to solve this question by using tabulation involving number pattern. So I created a table with two columns. The first column, I call it number of rings. The second column, I call it the distance from the top of the first ring to the next ring. Okay, now let's tabulate. If we have one ring, we have 9 cm as indicated in the first picture here. Now, what happens if we have two rings? How many cm? Okay, all right. I shall shorten this part and I put the unit of measurement in bracket. Then I don't have to repeat my centimeters here. Okay, all right. So this is DIST, is a short form for distance. Okay, now if we have two rings, I'm going to draw the two rings. I want to enlarge it for you to see. Okay, this is my first ring. Okay, I'm going to use another color. This is my second ring. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's look at the one in black. The first ring in black is 9 cm. All right, how about the one that is in red? It's actually, you notice the one that is in red, right? It's actually 9 cm is here. Now this 9 cm has overlapped the first ring. In what way? It has overlapped in 2 cm. Where are the 2 cm? This one and this one. I've highlighted in orange. So the 2 cm is being shed. That means the one that is red, it has been shortened by 2 cm. It's no longer 9. It is now 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay? Alright? So it's actually 7. So what does it mean? That means if I add 7 here, I will get 16. So ring number 1 and ring number 2, when they are hung vertically together, first two rings, ring 1 and ring 2, the distance of the top of the first ring to the bottom of the second ring should be 16 cm. Alright, now how about the third ring? It will be the same pattern. There will be overlapping of 2 cm, meaning we only add 7. Okay, the 2 cm is the overlapping part. That means when we add another ring to the previous ring, we only add not 9 but 7. It's a repeated addition of 7 cm. So 7 cm, in fact, is the common difference. So every time we add 7, every time we have to add 7. Okay? Alright? So from here, we should obtain what is ring number 3. When we have 3 rings, the distance from the top of ring 1 to the bottom of ring 3 should be 16 plus 7 is 23. How about when we have 4 rings hung on the vertical line? The distance from the top of ring 1 to the bottom of ring 4 would be 30. How did I get 30? It's 23 plus 7. That gives me 30. So I have already answered part A. Part A is this answer. Part A is completed, is done. What about part B? Now, part B is asking you, how many rings did Casey hang altogether? So what is this question mark? To get a total distance of 198 cm. That means we have to keep on adding 7, keep on adding 7, keep on adding 7. Alright, now we have to use the method of solving number patterns. I believe all of you should have done question involving number pattern. Number patterns with repeated common difference. Okay, so what do we normally do? We take this 198, subtract 9, the first one. Okay, this will help us to get 189. And then we take 189, divide by 7, because the 189 is the difference caused by all the 7s. So you take 189, divide by 7, we get 27. Now what is this 27? That means there are 27 rings in between. Okay? Now, since we minus 9 earlier, this 9 comes from the first ring. We have to put back the first ring. So all in all, there are 28 rings. 28 rings hung in a vertical way should give us a total distance of 198 cm, measured from the top of the first ring to the bottom of the 28th ring. 15 is done. So 15 is not difficult. It is actually using number patterning involving common difference. Now, please feel free to play back question 15. Now, question 15 can also be done using continuous systematic listing, but it can be tedious, it can be time consuming. So if you are able to think of a number pattern formula, then question 15 is extremely easy. Alright, I've completed this question in my video. My new videos on question 16 and 17 will be shared, will be uploaded. So remember to subscribe so that you get notified of my new videos being uploaded. And if you like my today's sharing, give me a thumbs up. Do share with anyone who wants to know more about how to go about solving question 15. Alright, pardon me, it's question 15. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. See you again and do take care. Stay safe. This is Joseph signing off. Goodbye.